Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Outlook autocomplete not working. Open your Outlook app. When you do, from the File menu, click on Options. Now you must go to the Mail section. Click on the button Spelling and Autocorrect. There, you can enable or disable the check spelling as you type box. Click on OK to save the changes and you can close the windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.